Craft time rocks, craft time rocks, craft time rocks, craft time rocks, craft time rocks.
Good morning and welcome to Crafts Time Rocks. Today we're going to be building a versatile bed platform in a tiny art studio on wheels to maximize aesthetic and efficiency. Come on. Let's take a look inside. Outside, this is cedar. It's completely untreated and it keeps bugs away for the most part. Inside, we have fragrant red cedar pretty much everywhere. And it smells so good in here. But it's just a blank room right now. So there's not a lot of storage and there's not a lot of versatility. We're going to be working on a bed platform first. That's going to come in 3 sections so that you can walk in the middle and sit and maybe use a desk. We're going to put some shelving units on the wall in the following episodes. Let's get to it!
Some call this great, fuel to pour into my heart and burn me apart from and out. But it's no use.
So you want to make sure when you're doing your cutting that you have hearing protection and eye protection, because your body's important and it's important to keep it safe. This is a super simple cut list. So what I'm going to do is rim joists all the way around and kind of minimize the lumber that's going on inside the house so we can have as much storage and as much seating as possible at the same time. I'm pre-drilling my holes and everything with a number 10 countersink to line up with these exterior 2.5-inch screws that we're going to be using to stack our lumber together. The legs I designed like the studs that go on either side of a window. They're going to stand like this, and the rim joist inside is going to be held up like this, so the legs are simple and easy to wrap with cedar trim that I'm going to make out of fence boards.
And believe me when I tell you I did not expect this to burn me apart. Awake me or put me out. It's not a dream. The flames are bursting. Welcome to the Green Chili Reverie.
New Mexico is the chili capital of the world.
Where is it?
Sometimes it can be hard to find a good stud, but there are a couple of different ways you can do it without a stud finder. One is listen to the wall. You'll hear it when the wall starts to sound solid. Sometimes that doesn't work, in which case on a wall like this where we have 1/4-inch plywood, you could push on it and watch how it flexes to find your stud.
Flames are bursting from me, bursting from
All right, well, this took us a couple of days because we're quarantined at home with kids. But if you had time and access to these tools that we use today, like the miter saw the impact driver, the drill, the quick square, the combination square. It wouldn't take you too long. So when we started our project, we did a simple drawing to scale, deciding how we were going to split up the space. I want to emphasize the importance of pre-production and thinking out what you're going to do beforehand, but I also want to say that it's important to kind of improv and go with the flow as things happen. See y'all next time on Crafts Time Rocks.